Hi, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. Today I am going to share a recipe with a very common and at the same time uncommon fish, that is mackerel. In Bengali that is called aila mach. I really don't know the name before, so I have this fish and this is mackerel. I have the small one, so I am going to make a recipe. It's a slight shallow fry and it's very tasty. So let's start today. So I am going to start the recipe. What I have, this is ginger powder and this is garlic powder. If you don't have ginger or garlic powder, you can use the ginger garlic paste. And I have this tandoori masala and I have this red chili powder, salt, turmeric and this besan or Bengal gram flour. I have this mustard oil and I have this lemon. So let's start with the recipe. So first I have to sprinkle this ginger powder a bit and then the garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of this tandoor powder. If you don't have this tandoor powder, you can use the garam masala powder as well. And now I have this red chili powder and then sugar to taste, turmeric powder, lemon juice, so it will have that tangy flavor, and little bit of mustard oil, and I have to rub it properly. And you can see there are cuts so that the masala can go inside and the taste will be awesome. Let me rub it properly. And I have to marinate it and I have to keep it for around 15 minutes. So let's marinate it for 15 minutes. So 15 minutes is over and the fish is marinated well. What I'll do now, I have this besan. I have to sprinkle this, not much, for this binding. So I have to rub it in the both side. You can see the masalas, they're sticking in. So you can see once I add this besan, the masala sticks very well. So for this binding I use this besan. Now this is pathri tawa, by the way. It's very good for kebab or this shallow fry. This tawa is really very nice. It's already hot. So I'm adding just a little bit of mustard oil. I'm spreading this. And now I have to put this fish. So this will be a slow cooking and we have to wait till the fish is done. Once one side is done, we have to flip it off. So you can see it's already done. The sizzling sound is really very nice and I can smell the aroma. It's really very nice. And now I am going to serve it. So switch off the gas first. So I have this salad bed and this mackerel tandoor fry is already done, and in your cheat day you can already have this. Even you can have this as your evening snack, or you can serve it to your friends. So enjoy this mackerel tawa fry.